This video will introduce how to convert Heic to JPG on Android in detail. Part 1. How to convert Heic to JPG on Android using apps. Using a dedicated Heic conversion app is the easiest method. These apps can quickly convert Heic images to JPG and save them to local storage. 1.1 Heic to JPG Converter. Heic to JPG Converter is an easy-to-use Heic conversion tool that is very convenient. However, it only supports single file conversion and contains some ads. If you want to convert multiple files without ads, you can upgrade to the premium version. Step 1. Download and install Heic to JPG Converter from the Google Play Store. Step 2. After opening the app, tap Select File and choose the image you want to convert. Step 3. Select JPG as the conversion format, then tap Convert. Step 4. Once the conversion is complete, the JPG image will be automatically saved to your device. 1.2. Luma Heic to JPG Converter. Luma Heic to JPG Converter is another powerful Heic conversion app that supports lossless conversion and batch processing. Step 1. Install Luma from the Google Play Store on your Android device and launch the app. Step 2. Tap on the Heic to JPG feature. Step 3. Use the plus icon to add files for conversion, either by selecting individual images or entire folders. Step 4. Tap Save and choose the location on your device to store the converted files. The conversion will begin. Step 5. Once complete, you can easily view and select all the converted images within the app. 1.3 Dropbox. Although this cloud service provider is primarily designed for large-scale data storage and management, it can also be used for Heic conversion. Step 1. Install Dropbox on your Android device and log into your account. Step 2. Upload the Heic images to Dropbox and wait for the files to sync. Step 3. Find the Heic photo you upload and open it within the app. Step 4. Select the option to download it as a JPG image. Part 2. How to convert Heic to JPG on Android online. There are many online Heic conversion tools, and here we will use Cloud Convert as an example. Step 1. Visit the Cloud Convert website. Step 2. In the first drop-down menu, go to the Image tab and select Heic on the right side. Step 3. In the second drop-down menu, navigate to the Image tab and choose JPG. Step 4. Click the Select File button. Step 5. Choose the file and select it. Step 6. Click the Convert button. Step 7. Once the conversion is complete, click Download to save the converted file. Part 3. How to convert Heic to JPG on Android via computer. If you want a more efficient and secure way to convert a large number of Heic images, it's recommended to use Coolmuster Heic Converter on your computer for batch conversion. Step 1. Once you have installed the tool on your computer, open it and click the Add Heic button to upload your Heic photos, or simply drag your images into the dash box, and then click the Drop and Drop Here icon to upload your Heic photos. Step 2. After importing the files, select the images you wish to convert and choose JPG as the output format. If desired, enable the Keep EXIF data option to preserve the original image information. Step 3. Adjust the quality settings. Choose an output folder on your computer for the converted files and then click the Convert button to convert Heic to JPG.